Hi besties, welcome back to Shopla Kitchen. Chef MMN in the building. Today I will show you how to make this simple peanut butter snacks. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Also like this video so others can see it. I'll be using raw peanuts. I've already selected my peanuts and I have some salt to soak it. I have here some water. This is powder milk. You can use powder milk. If you don't have powder milk, you can use milk flavor, guys. I have my granulated sugar and I have my baking powder. Baking powder makes it to come out super crunchy and nice. This is my all-purpose flour. I've already sieved my flour. It's very important to sieve your flour, guys, before using it for anything, okay? Have some fresh eggs and salt. This is the salt I'm going to be using in the recipe. So the first thing I'll do is to soak my raw peanuts in hot water. Sorry guys, I missed the part that I soak it in hot water and spread it, keep it outside to dry. After keeping it outside to dry, I'll set it aside. Go ahead and prep my wet ingredient first. I first of all crack my eggs and whisks. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, guys. I go ahead and add water. So you add water to the egg, continue mixing and set it aside. And that's all for the wet ingredients that I'll be using for the simple evening snacks, or you can have the snacks any time of the day. So I turn in my flour, sugar, powder milk, that's baking powder. Guys, make sure you remove all your ingredients so that your measurements will be complete. Guys, I go in with my salt and I also added my grated nutmeg to spice it up, guys. Give it a proper mix. And yeah, we have our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients ready. So I'm going to interchangeably, coat it with the peanut. At this point, my peanut is dry. Remember, guys, the peanuts, before drying it, you soak it in very hot water with salt, okay, and dry it. So we are going ahead with the coating process. You add in your flour first and stir. After coating it for a while, guys, you go ahead and add your wet mixture for your coating. And continue. One of the important things to note, guys, when coating your peanut burger, if you are turning it clockwise, it has to be clockwise all through. You don't turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you are turning it anti-clockwise, you got to continue like that till you are done with your coating process, guys. So check for any sticky ones, use your hand and free it and continue. This coating takes roughly 15 minutes. Guys, just adding your dry ingredients, then add your wet ingredient, and remember, turn it only one direction. So this is a deeper bucket. It's proper to use deep buckets, guys. That's why I'm showing you that bucket, so that the peanuts will not be jumping out. Thank you guys for today's video. if you are new to my channel, please click on that subscribe button so that you see any new video that I drop. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video, guys. And to my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you, guys. If you have any question, kindly try this recipe, and I want to hear from you in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to teach in the next class, just drop it on the comment section and I will gladly do so. So we are almost done with our coating, guys. When you are coating, just be patient with the process. You check if there's anyone that is coming, you detach it and continue. It basically depends on the size of the peanuts you are making. I'm making a very big size peanut. That's why I'm having to coat it for like the time I'm coating it. So I'm almost done. Look at what we have there. Nicely coated peanuts, guys. You can have those peanuts for your evening snacks. You can have it for your kids' lunch pack. You can just keep it to have your tea at any time of the day. You can pack it for events, family, get together, Christmas, anything. And I'm done coating. I'll go ahead and fry. So I put only one first to check if the oil is ready. Once it's flip up like so, it means the oil is ready. So you go ahead and add your coated peanuts. It's important that when you are frying, don't stir it anyhow so that you will not scatter your peanuts, guys. Just stir it side to side gently like what I'm doing. You can see how nice that is looking. The coating process took me like 15 minutes and it's already coming out so nice, really big. If you don't want yours to be this big, you just coat a bit, not as long as what I did, but I like mine to be big like this. Okay, so once it's almost golden brown like this, or a bit brown, it's ready. See, nice and crunchy. So guys, I'm done frying. Look at what we have there. Very beautiful, tasty, super delicious, crunchy peanut burger. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.